Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that many of you have asked about. This proves she's secretly obsessed with you. If you've ever wondered whether someone has strong feelings for you, this video is for you. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our exciting content. Let's jump right in. 1. She initiates contact. When someone secretly obsesses over you, one of the most noticeable signs is their consistent effort to initiate contact. This means that they can't resist reaching out to you, whether it's through text messages, phone calls, or social media. The frequency of their messages or calls shows their eagerness to maintain a connection with you and to have you play a significant role in their life. It's a clear indicator that they're interested in staying in touch and ensuring that you remain an essential part of their daily routine. 2. She's attentive and curious. Genuine curiosity and attentiveness are powerful signs of someone secretly obsessed with you. When someone pays close attention to the details of your life and regularly inquires about your day, it's because they genuinely care. They're interested in your thoughts, experiences, and opinions because they value your perspective. This curiosity goes beyond casual conversation. It reflects their deeper interest in understanding who you are and what matters to you. It's a clear demonstration of their affection and the importance they place on your relationship. 3. She remembers small details. People who secretly obsess over you often have an incredible ability to remember even the tiniest details of your conversations. Whether it's your favorite color, a childhood anecdote, or something as specific as your coffee order, they keep track of these details because they genuinely cherish everything you say. This attention to detail demonstrates not only their excellent memory but also their deep investment in your life and the connection you share. It's a heartwarming indication that you hold a special place in their heart, and they're committed to keeping your shared memories alive. 4. She texts you good morning and good night. Sending consistent good morning and good night texts is an adorable way to express affection. When someone sends these messages regularly, it means they're thinking of you right when they wake up and just before they go to sleep. It's a profound sign of their attachment, as these moments are often the most intimate and personal times of the day. By sending these messages, they're not only expressing their interest but also ensuring that you're the first and last thing on their mind each day. It's a beautiful way of letting you know that you play a special role in their life. 5. She makes time for you. A clear sign of someone secretly obsessed with you is their willingness to make time for you, even if it means rearranging their schedule. Whether it's for a quick coffee catch-up or a full day together, they prioritize spending time with you. This indicates that they value your presence in their life and consider your company a top priority. By making time to be with you, they're actively demonstrating their desire to nurture and strengthen your connection. It's a sign of their commitment to your relationship and their eagerness to create lasting memories together. 6. She compliments you sincerely. When someone secretly obsesses over you, they can't help but shower you with sincere compliments. These compliments cover various aspects of your life, from your personality traits to your physical appearance. It's not about flattery, it's about expressing their genuine admiration and fondness for you. Compliments are a heartfelt way of showing that they see and appreciate your qualities, both inside and out. Their compliments are a clear sign that they're deeply attracted to you and want you to feel cherished and valued in their presence. 7. She laughs at your jokes. Humor has a unique way of bringing people closer together, and someone who secretly obsesses over you will genuinely enjoy your sense of humor. Even if your jokes aren't always the funniest, they'll find joy in your humor and genuinely laugh at your jokes. This shared laughter deepens the connection between you, creating positive and enjoyable moments that you both treasure. It's a sign of their comfort around you and their genuine enjoyment of your company. 8. She supports your goals. Supporting your goals and ambitions is a powerful sign of someone's obsession with you. When someone becomes your biggest cheerleader and actively encourages your dreams and aspirations, it shows their investment in your happiness and success. They want to see you achieve your objectives and be there to celebrate your milestones with you. This type of unwavering support reflects their deep affection and commitment to being a positive force in your life. 9. She shares personal stories. In a relationship where someone is secretly obsessed with you, sharing personal stories, especially the vulnerable ones, is an essential way of connecting on a deeper level. By opening up and revealing their authentic self, they're demonstrating their trust and desire to create a meaningful bond with you. Sharing these personal stories allows both of you to understand each other better and feel more connected on an emotional level. It signifies their willingness to be vulnerable and their belief that you're a trustworthy and important part of their life. 10. She's playful and teases you. Playfulness and light teasing are common in relationships where someone is secretly obsessed with you. It's a sign of their comfort around you and their enjoyment of your company. By being playful and teasing you in a light-hearted way, they're expressing their affection and creating a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. This dynamic can add excitement to your relationship and deepen the connection as you share playful banter and laughter. 11. She introduces you to her friends. Introducing you to her close friends is a significant step in a relationship where someone is secretly obsessed with you. It means that she's eager to blend her world with yours and that she values your presence in her life. Sharing her friends with you is a way of integrating you into her social circle and showing that she envisions a future with you as a vital part of it. This step signifies a deep connection and her desire to make you an integral part of her life. 12. She values your opinion. When someone seeks your input on important decisions and genuinely values your opinion, it's a sign of their respect for your judgment and the influence you have in their life. They consider your thoughts and insights valuable and want to include you in the decision-making process. This respect for your opinions demonstrates their admiration for you and the impact you have on their choices. It's a sign of trust and affection, indicating that they hold your perspectives in high regard. 13. She initiates physical contact. Initiating physical contact is a potent sign of emotional attachment. When someone secretly obsesses over you, they may initiate light physical contact, such as a touch on your arm or a warm hug. This physical closeness is a way of expressing their comfort and affection, often without the need for words. It's a nonverbal way of conveying their deep emotional connection and their desire to be physically close to you. Physical touch can be a strong indicator of the intensity of their feelings. 14. She gets jealous. Feeling a bit jealous when you talk about other people can be a sign of someone's secret obsession with you. This jealousy often stems from their desire not to share your attention with anyone else. It's a protective instinct that comes from their strong feelings for you. While excessive jealousy can be unhealthy, a mild hint of it shows their emotional investment and their wish to have you all to themselves. 15. She shares future plans. Discussing future plans, whether it's trips, events, or potential shared experiences, is a significant sign of her secret obsession. It shows that she envisions a future with you as an integral part of it. When someone talks about future plans that involve both of you, it indicates their strong desire for a lasting and meaningful connection. It's a sign of their emotional investment and their belief in the potential of your relationship. 16. She gives thoughtful gifts. Receiving thoughtful gifts is a tangible expression of someone's affection. When someone secretly obsesses over you, they put time and effort into choosing meaningful gifts that show their appreciation. These gifts can range from small tokens of affection to more significant presents, but the common thread is that they're chosen with care and consideration. These gifts are an indication of their desire to make you feel special and loved. 17. She stays up late talking to you. Willingness to stay up late engaging in deep and meaningful conversations is a testament to her fascination with you. By prioritizing these late-night talks, she's showing that she values your connection above sleep and other activities. It's a sign that you're always on her mind and that she cherishes the moments when you share your thoughts and emotions. These late-night conversations create a deeper bond and make you feel truly appreciated. 18. She sends you just because messages. Receiving just because messages, those random texts or calls to check in on you, is a clear indication that you're always on her mind. These spontaneous gestures show that she can't help but think about you throughout the day. It's a powerful way of letting you know that you occupy a special place in her heart and that she wants to keep the connection strong. 19. She respects your boundaries. Respecting your boundaries is a sign of maturity and genuine affection. When someone secretly obsesses over you, they're mindful of your comfort zones and understand when you need space. This respect for your boundaries demonstrates their consideration for your needs and shows that they want to create a relationship built on mutual understanding and respect. 20. She talks about your potential as a couple. Finally, when someone openly discusses your potential as a couple and expresses their desire for a deeper commitment, it's one of the clearest signs of their secret obsession. This open conversation about the future signifies that they see a lasting and meaningful relationship with you. They're eager to take the next steps and work towards building a future together. It's a sign of their emotional investment and their deep desire to create a lasting bond. In conclusion, when someone is secretly obsessed with you, they demonstrate their feelings through a combination of actions and behaviors. These signs can help you recognize a deep emotional connection. Keep in mind that every individual is unique, and while these signs can be revealing, open and honest communication is essential to understand each other's feelings better. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming content. Until next time, take care, and may you find love and connection in every corner of your life.